I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and I'm here today to show you guys the HSP Load Rack Pro. Now the Load Rack Pro is a height adjustable multifunctional ladder rack system, and it is very different to anything on the market. Now we built the Load Rack Pro because of a very specific reason. The current ladder racks that you might see on the roads today are a 76mm rounded racking system. They don't have the ability to add additional items on top of it. They don't have the ability to have any height adjustability at all, and that is a problem. So we wanted to solve that by creating the Load Rack Pro. So let me go through this, show you all the functionality, show you what you can do with it, and give you all the information about the compatibility of the item as well. Now, one of the first things you're going to find is the bold and aggressive look of the unit. Now, I personally love it. I think it finishes off the vehicle really well, especially on a Kia. I think it looks phenomenal in terms of the styling, the aesthetics, the color, but really importantly, it's also very, very functional, and I'll show you why. Each one of these bars has a channel. So 1, 2, 3, 4 channels, 4 channels, and 4 channels there. Now those are universal channels, and what you can do with the universal channels is you can mount any Rhino accessory, Yakima accessory, bike carriers, rooftop tents, ladder stops, and whatever. You can add all of that by using a simple channel nut like what you see there. The other thing that you can do with this is use the telescopic legs to adjust the height of the ladder rack. And why that's important is if you're trying to marry up your rear racking with crossbars on the roof of the vehicle, this allows you to do that without having to get a lot of spaces or just really struggling in general to get the heights right. So really compatible and really adaptable in that regard. And what's really cool is that the Load Rack Pro also comes in a Junior, which looks like this, which is the Load Rack Junior. Now the Load Rack Junior is your low to mid-range tub rack. Exactly the same as the Load Rack Pro in terms of the mounting, so it does work with and without roller cover, but it's that low to mid-range. Now why we made this is because there's a lot of people that have a rooftop tent that they want to mount, but they want to keep that below the roof line. So this is perfect for that. The only difference between this and the Load Rack Pro, obviously besides the height, is that you don't get the accessory bar that goes between there. You still have the accessory channels on all the faces of the top bar, you just don't have the accessory channel that runs in between the two bars itself. Now again, this is all 100% made and manufactured in Australia, which is really important to us. For more information, please visit www.hsputilids.com or follow us on any of our social media at HSP4x4.